In this video, I will be showing you multiple solutions on how to fix the ChatGPT unusual activity error. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my browser, type ChatGPT into the search bar, and hit enter. Then, I click on the first search result to open the site. The first solution is a simple account refresh. I click on my profile name in the bottom left corner, select Log Out, and click Log Out again to confirm. If this was just a temporary session glitch, simply logging back in by selecting my account might fix it. If that didn't work, the next solution is to check for interfering browser extensions. I click the extensions icon in the top right corner of the browser and select Manage Extensions. On the extensions page, I turn off my VPN extension by clicking the toggle switch, as VPNs can often trigger activity errors. I close the Extensions tab and return to ChatGPT. If you are still seeing the error, our third solution is to clear the site's cookies. I click the three dots menu in the top right corner of the browser and select Settings. From the left menu, I click Privacy and Security. I select Third-Party Cookies, scroll down, and click See All Site Data and Permissions. I locate chatgpt.com in the list, click the trash can icon next to it, and hit Delete to clear the site data. I go back to the ChatGPT tab and click the browser's Reload button. Since the data was cleared, I need to log in again, so I select my account to continue. If the issue persists, the next solution is to refresh your network connection. Once the page loads, I move down to my computer's taskbar and open the network settings. I click on my connected Wi-Fi network, select Disconnect, and then reconnect it to establish a fresh connection. If none of those earlier steps worked, our final solution is to perform a strict clear of the site's local permissions. I click back into the browser, then click the site information icon next to the URL address bar and choose Site Settings. Here, I click the Delete Data button and confirm by clicking Delete. I switch back to the ChatGPT tab and click the Reload button at the top of the page to apply the settings. Then, I log in one last time. To ensure the error is finally fixed, I type a quick system check prompt into the chat window and click Send. The response generates normally, confirming the chat is fully operational and the issue is resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.